My problem for this discussion is fx equals 6x minus 1 over 5x plus 2, and I'm evaluating for the functions of f negative 3, f2, and f negative a. For the first problem, I plugged in negative 3, which gives me f negative 3 equals 6 negative 3 minus 1 over 5 negative 3 plus 2. And the first step is to multiply 6 and negative 3, which gives you negative 18. And then you multiply 5 and negative 3, which gives you negative 15. And that makes the problem look like this, which is f negative 3 equals negative 18 minus 1 over negative 15 plus 2. And the next steps would be to subtract negative 18 minus 1, which would give you negative 19, and add negative 15 plus 2, which gives you negative 13. And you would remove the negatives, which then gives you the final answer of f negative 3 equals 19 over 13. In the next equation, I plugged in 2, which gives me f2 equals 6,2 minus 1 over 5,2 plus 1. And the first step is to multiply 6 and 2, which gives you 12, and then multiply 5 and 2, which gives you 10. So the problem will then look like this, which is f2 equals 12 minus 1 over 10 plus 2. And then you subtract 12 and 1, which gives you 11, and add 10 and 2, which gives you 12, for the final answer of f2 equals 11 over 12. For the final equation, I plugged in negative a, which then gives me f negative a equals 6 negative a minus 1 over 5 negative a plus 2. And you cannot simplify this equation any further, so the final answer would be f negative a equals negative 6a minus 1 over negative 5a plus 2.